Talk about finding the surface area of a rectangular prism. We're going to find the lateral surface area and the total surface area. The first thing you need to do is be able to name the prism. This is a rectangular prism. And the reason it's important to be able to name the prism is because the base is the shape that the prism is named after. So since this is a rectangular prism, its base is this rectangle here on bottom. The next thing we'll need to be able to do is, using your formula chart, you'll need to be able to identify and write down the formulas for each, the lateral surface area and the total surface area. So the lateral surface area, when you look at your formula chart, you'll see that that's going to be big P times little h. The total surface area is going to be big P times little h plus 2 times big B. So now we need to know, well, what is big P and little h and big B? Big P is the perimeter of the base. Little h is the height of the prism. And big B is the area of the base. So now that we know what these are, let's actually do the calculations. The perimeter of the base. Well, big P, the perimeter of the base, if my base here is this green rectangle on bottom, if this side is 5, then hopefully you can see that this side over here is 5 as well. And if this side is 2, this side is 2. Perimeter is at all sides, so 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 2 is 12, plus 2 more is 14. Perimeter of my base is 14. Little h. Little h is the height of the prism. Well, if this green rectangle is my base, then it should go without saying that this is the height of my prism. And so the height of my prism, little h, is 3. Now for big B. Big B is the area of the base, so I need to find the area of the shape that my base is. My base is a rectangle. The formula for the area of a rectangle is length times width. So that's going to be 5 times 2, which is 10. So the area of my base is 10. Now all I need to do is plug everything in. Well, at the lateral surface area, by the way, the lateral surface area is just the area of the sides. So I'm talking about this side, this back side back there, the front side, and this side. All of the sides added together is the lateral area. If I want to find the total area here in a second, the difference between the two is the total area is the lateral area plus the top and the bottom. So continuing on, just plugging everything in. Big P I found to be 14 times h, which is 3. Do not try to multiply this out. Use your calculator. You're given the calculator on the exam for tax. Use it. So 14 times 3. I get 42. So my lateral surface area is 42. And then finally, for the total surface area, I have big P times little h, which again is 14 times 3, plus 2 times big B, and big B is 10. Using my calculator, typing it in just how I wrote it, 14 times 3 plus 2 times 10. And I get 62. So my total area is 62. And that is how you find the lateral surface area and the total surface area of a rectangular prism.